Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get 9 boxes on your TikTok live. The 9 boxes option actually comes from a type of multi-guest layout which allows you to invite and go live with up to 8 other people. Right, so these 9 boxes is actually a new update on TikTok that is slowly replacing the 6 boxes option that has been available on TikTok. Now, to get these 9 boxes is very simple. The process of getting the 6 boxes and 9 boxes is the same. So if you have been using the 6 boxes on TikTok, just follow the same process and you get the 9 boxes if it's already available for you on TikTok. But if not, you just have to head to Play Store or App Store and update your TikTok application. But even after updating it, if you don't have it yet, you just have to relax, you get it sooner. Alright, so click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen, select live option and go live on TikTok. Alright, so once you're live on TikTok, just like this, you're going to notice these guest icon at the bottom left corner. Click on that. Then you get this window. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now after clicking on that, you're going to get these 2 layout options, the panel and the grid option. The panel option allows you to get 5 boxes, while the grid option allows you to get 9 boxes. But previously it allows you to get 6 boxes. Now if you choose the grid option, you can still see 6 boxes. That is if these 9 boxes update is not yet available to you. And like I said earlier, the 9 boxes update is not yet available to all users on TikTok. So all you have to do to get it very soon is to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So head to Play Store or App Store and update your TikTok application. Now select the grid option and click on switch. After doing that, you have to still click on guest, click on settings at the top right corner, and then click on turn on the toggle button for fixed layout. Confirm that, and after that you're going to get 9 boxes if it's already available to you. Alright, so it's not yet available to me, but I believe I'm going to get the 9 boxes soon because I've already updated my TikTok application on App Store. So that's exactly what you need to do. Alright, so guys, this is how you can actually get 9 boxes on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.